Hi, my name is Ashley Tuzoe. I attend Wekiva High School, and I will be studying accounting at either FIU or FAMU. We'll see. There's not one word that can describe me, but the best word I can use at the moment is determined. I have 5 people in my immediate family: mom, dad, brother, sister, and then there's me. What I really appreciate from both of my parents is that they allowed us to choose what we want to do with our careers. Especially coming from a Haitian background, it's very common. Very common. You got to be a doctor or a lawyer, something that's going to make you like a lot of money. But thankfully, my mom and my dad, they allowed me and my siblings to have the freedom to choose our own careers. And I really appreciate my mom because I was not supposed to go to this school and she switched her whole work schedule. And I gotta give her flowers for real for that. We have to cook it now. I wanted to go to Wekiva because I wanted to do the magnet program. I like to cook because it's really creative. Growing up, I used to like to do arts and crafts a lot. I would make slime and things like that, DIY. And I feel like cooking is the same exact thing. You get to create something, but the best part about it is that you get to eat it. Did you guys use the lime juice already? I'm in FCA, Fellowship of Christian Athletes, SGA, Student Government Association. I've played volleyball, I've played flag football, done weightlifting. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Probably am, and I feel bad. Whatever club it is, I'm so sorry. Oh, NHS, yeah. Some advice that I would give to other students is definitely always get good grades. Because when you get good grades, literally opportunities come. And B, I know everybody says this, but truly just be yourself. And then figure out those flaws, grow from them. So it's okay if you don't know exactly who you are, but discover, you're gonna find it.